Welcome viewers, today we're unboxing a Teenza Telescopic Ladder. I've just bought this one from Amazon for £112. So in the past I've avoided these because they don't look the safest things, but I've seen lots of roofers using them and there's a couple of builders wrote reviews, so I thought let's give this one a go. And the reason I chose this one is it's got a stability bar for the bottom, so it looks a bit safer than the rest. So let's put it together, see what happens. So I've had a quick look at the instructions, nothing amazing, however they are badly written. Looks like they've just been translated from Chinese by computer. It's immensely simple, but if you're not sure how to put it together, just have a watch of the video. So the rubber end pieces don't really go on that easily, so I'm just using silicone spray to make it a bit easier. You could just put those in hot water, I guess. That would maybe make it slide on better. And then we're going to give it some gentle persuasion with the wall, just to make sure those rubber pieces fit properly. Then just take out the spacers at the bottom, and then just slot the bar in. Just make sure the holes line up. Again, a bit more gentle persuasion. So put the bolts through. You'll need a couple of 10mm spanners or something similar, and I'm just adding an extra washer. There's no washer supplied, but it seems to me you normally would need one of those, but that's just me being OCD. Just a quick point of note: when I took the instructions out, I undid the Velcro strap. It's much easier if you fasten that up again before spinning the ladder around, because it starts to extend on you. So what we're going to do is just put those hooks back in. All that happens is you just push them in and they'll lock into place. Very easy. So let's extend the ladder. You'll notice it starts to stick in certain places, which isn't ideal. I may be doing it wrong, so let me know in the comments if there's an easier way. And just before you climb it, just make sure that everything's locked into place. So you can see I'm doing that quite tentatively. Follow the instructions for your safety details. And then what we're going to do is let's just collapse it. When it retracts quite quickly, so just make sure you keep your fingers out the way. Again, I may be doing that wrong. Let me know in the comments if there's a better way. So in summary, do I like the ladder? Well, it's okay. I will give it 3 out of 5. The base is pretty sturdy and it feels stable, and it's easy to get in and out your car. So what I don't like about it is the retraction process. It seems to stick in places, and when it does start to move, it drops really fast. And also it would be nice if you could see it more clearly when the locks are engaged. But apart from that, if you just want an inspection ladder that you're not using too often, it's probably worth the money. So thanks for watching. I hope you found something useful in the video, and if you did, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.